so man. It does come like a computer that look on it, like how they dry it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's enough cover there, like. See it?
Yeah, you can do a whole heap of things. Would easy to work with it. Easy. See a lot of gate that make good gate out of wood.
And them are using wood and this steel. Steel as a frame.
Right. Yeah,
Don't
that's
worry.
it. Yeah, that's what I mean.
stop. Looking at the cars. Then I search. Hold up, traffic.
Edit out the spot.
Oh man, video.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yes.
Where are miss out the good part.
So in Florida, most people never see hills, because no hill not there in Florida. Every hill for them a mountain. What's that mountain called?
Something here I'll stop. See how few ways. Try
Yeah.
it down, pull up slow movements.
I'll start come. I'll come and we can bring equipment and people have whole heap of people in Africa. They want come. They need somewhere to stay. Want to them vlog. And then I have a group of 10 people that they want to come. They all want to come together, And then go out, so me tell them. Man, easy, man.
Oh my
Corner.
God. You really see?
Nah, if you get licked down, you blame a person. Blame somebody for the guy get licked down.
You wipe the road one is somewhere.
No, it's other people then give up the land. And then decide.
Why give it up?
Yeah, all the people up a rock top here. So then now give up the land.
You're gonna go pay them for it.
Yeah, they want to relocate them down to Old Steamer in front of the beach.
What?
How much better you want?
Oh my
You want?
God.
Then say no. They want it up on the front line.
And that building, go build a house, get
Of course, listen, even if you get Even if you get one little 100 foot by 100 foot down or so in front of the beach.
Government should have insist.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But
Because you see problem I pose, you know.
uh-huh.
No road can't work
Yeah.
again.
Same thing with Lucy.
Because top road and look for Lucy.
Mm-hmm.
Because probably in the next 50 years, you know, but fish, me know down the go off white. Some of them places when the water come in.
Yes.
You know what Lucy said? Lucy said if them do the bypass, the road or kill the bypass or kill Lucy the way it killed Kingston. Why old Kingston dead out and a new Kingston are gone, or you know, that's what I'm saying.
And
But the nonsense
they have to do when one place they don't turn in a farmhouse in development.
no, but he wouldn't dead out.
They're not going to do it.
Lucy have a big population, and I said population will sustain the economy of Lucy.
So good.
Huh?
Big or something. The structure.
Okay.
Really needed the road need to
Yeah, man, I need that. But now it's kind of bad because now you'd have to clear off all the vendors and carpenters and cut at least 5 feet in. Yeah. At least.
But the part where I don't understand down there, so the amount of plaza put up beside.
Because the town will go west.
But then now big customer for the plaza.
Oh.
That's enough.
Soon, you say as soon as the people that live over in the hills become integrated, because right now they don't feel connected to the community.
And look all this. So plaza there a long time. Nobody no really.
Yeah,
Most time people still prefer to go than Ghana and Montego Bay.
yeah. This plaza are just people from
And
country.
they come like it hard now.
Yeah.
Just walk go down right there. So.
Uh-huh.
Hey.